Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Wonders DevOps YouTube channel. Learn DevOps, do wonders. Today we are going to discuss about how to install Maven. Maven is a build tool. It is developed by Apache, so we call it Apache Maven. Okay, to install Maven, we have to download the Maven from Google. So let's go to browser, search for Maven install Windows. So I'm going to install on the Windows operating system. Click on first website, that is Apache Maven website. This is the installing Apache Maven. So if you are using for the Linux, then you can go through the command line, and I'm going to download it as a zip file. So downloading Apache Maven 3.9.9 version. So for that, system requirements are JDK, Java Development Kit. So Java is the prerequisite for Maven because Maven is Java build tool. That's why we have to install Java first. And memory, no minimum requirement, and disk is 10 MB is required minimum. Operating system, there is no minimum requirement because we can install Maven in any operating system. Okay, so before going to download the Maven, I'm going to check Java is installed or not. So I'm going to check it Java version. So I have installed Java version, that is 23.0.1. So JDK version 23 I have installed. That is the latest version as of 2025 January. So I'm going to check Maven is installed or not. So Maven is not installed. Now, so all the prerequisite is matching. I'm going to download the Maven. So here four different types of files like tar, zip and archive files. So I'm going to binary zip archive as a zip file. I'm going to download it. So as a prerequisite, you have to install Java. If you don't know how to install Java, please check my previous video. I have installed the Java and set up the environment variable on Windows. So Maven is installed here. I'm going to click on this. So this is the Maven directory. I'm going to copy this one and save it. I'm going to copy this one and save in my C drive. There is a folder I have created, softwares. I'm going to paste it here with the Apache Maven. So I'm going to open this one inside the bin. So now Maven is downloaded, and if you check, we have to restart the command prompt and check for Maven version. Still it is not showing because we have to set the environment variable for Maven. So let's go to environment variable. Edit the system environment variables. Click on here you can see advanced. There is 5 different options. Click on advanced environment variables. Here I have already set up the environment variable for Java home and set the path for Java. Now I am going to set the environment variable for Maven. Now first thing is system variables. Click on path, edit. Go here, click on new and copy the path till bin. Copy it and click on new, paste. See, till bin we have to give it. Click on OK. And now go to top, that is user variable. Click on new Maven underscore home variable value. So the value should be the Apache Maven directory and we have to give that one only. No need to go inside the bin. Click on OK. Click on OK here and OK. Now again go to CMD. Here type MVN hyphen version. See, here you can see Apache Maven 3.9.9 is installed, and it is showing Maven home directory as well along with Java versions. This is how we can install Maven. So today we have discussed how to install Maven and set up the environment variable. If you want to know how to execute Maven life cycles and goals, I am going to explain in the next video. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on my next videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.